Okay, what I have today is a Boxycharm. And this is like my second one since I've been back with Boxycharm. And I have not opened it at all, so you're gonna open it with me. And we'll be surprised together. I have no clue what's in this thing. So let me set up a little bit. I look like crap. I have no makeup on. I was about to do that, but okay, let me switch. Sorry. Okay, here it is. That's what it looks like. It says candy shop. Oh, candy shop. Okay, so, whoa, this is huge. Hydration, BHA, AHA Exfoliating Cleanser by Maracuja. That is freaking huge. It's like, let's see. It is 6.75 fluid ounces. Huge. Let's see, we have Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner. Hopefully this is a color that I could use. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, okay, we got like a red and like a brown. Ooh. Yeah, I think I'll like this brown one better to go with the 90s lip colors that I usually do with the brown and then the lighter color in the center. Like it. I like to do that look. Sorry. Let's see. Keep It Rio. Ooh. Sol Janeiro. I didn't know do they have Brazilian Kiss? Okay. Oh. Is this a lipstick? What is this? It smells really, really good, but when doesn't it? Oh man, it's just clear. I'm gonna love this because I always, if you see me, I always lick my lips because my medicine makes me get dehydrated. So I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna keep, this is cute. Let me see, does it say the prices on this thing anymore? Okay, so we have the Maracuja here. This was 40 bucks. It's huge. The lip liners were $32, right? No, what? No. Lip liners. Oh, no, $16 for these. For this here is $20. I'm excited to try this. And then we have, this is kind of a large bottle. It is Maracuja Miracle Mist. It's setting spray. Wow. I'm glad I got this because I got the ColourPop one and it makes my skin too like dewy. So I'm glad I have this now. And that is $23. $23. And then the palette I got was Pretty Vulgar and that is $32. Let's see what this looks like in here. Ooh, yes, okay, I'm liking this. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty happy. Look at that. I like it. So you can like contour, blush, and then probably this is highlight. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go back through it again. So this one was 23. The Tarte Maracuja was 23. Or this was 32, sorry, 32, 23. So 32, 23. 40, this is gigantic, 20, and 16. That's not bad at all. I'm pretty happy with that. So anyways, hopefully you like this Boxycharm unboxing. Sorry I look like this, but I was just about ready to get ready, so now I can use some of these items. But anyways, thanks for watching, and let me know what you got in your box down below. Make sure you like this video and follow all my social medias. Thanks, bye.